Settle back down. Now take the lead hog. Watch them others, see if they stop. One of them might slow down.
Right there doing some night hunting. Shot the first pig of the night. It's humid. Let's go.
If one of those closer, now take that biggest one in the back. Oops. You can take the one closer to us if you want to. Now watch the one to the right. Watch it to the right. If it stops, shoot it. Go.
Alright, we're out for a family night hunt. And it's me and Michelle and Ty and Leanna and Talon and Laramie. And Ty got the first hog. Laramie got this little feller here. And we're fixing to go see if we can't get some more.
Yeah, if it offers a shot, take it. Okay.
This is the fourth hog of the night. Ty shot one, Laramie shot one, Talon shot one, now I got one. So we've had a pretty good run.
Alamo Precision Rifles. The best rifles this side of the Pecos. APRifles.com. Hornady. Accurate, deadly, dependable. Pink's Paint and Body. Decatur, Texas. Mallory Orthodontics. MalloryOrtho.com. 2K Pawn and Gun. Decatur, Texas. Carrillo and Tibbles, Attorney at Law.